Ghana for way amamo de shemo ade nyina wo konfo colleague wo kukuru diodu amponsansan che kre wure ne me kotokwa fre na me senwere duan kanta egumi so asaw empanyimfo so ne wafuru duapa ne epia no ne opa bibia kotokwa ne nyina bro sawo pansam dem sam polon sam atutu abasa ne abasa etre ni tire subscribe to Ghana for You TV me kohwe de ede amamu nsam de kohwe empanyimfo mu wi abansika ho na abehu no o konfo ho na me scan Twitter ya na me kire wo mo me shirawo
and I make for amount. Keep watching Ghana for You TV, and your life will never be the same. Bye bye.
Hello guys, keep on watching Ghana for You TV. Like, comment, and share for more videos. That's it.
Therefore, thank God it's Sunday. Oba aswaro ase enenge demini adaje tuba no ase egofo bebre wa sorry ba e kasi e twen won mo a o medu fie te na o ma ba be hwebi eti se oba wadawuruma fato na wo mo be fira sorry ni beba no ana adwuma beba no woman ye bi abehwe no ma betie wo ma sum nsam video yi taige ma ebi ko be platform na eye police fo CID fo enen kofo akese ministers that ma baby a obi amechia oba won fe eye hair doctor Enos kitchen at say, Kumasi Van Dam, Mr. Me here, me doctor, and ne, ewo a jam. Me here, me doctor, Kwame Bonnie. Beautiful Sally Sweet at say, Nana Abenako for, Nana also want to say, Auntie Victoria. Ohima atisai, Hajia atisai. Thank you Kumase, medawase. Medafo ene, mebe dropu audios bi. Edi ask questions. Sally Sweet, oh yeah. Alaba stamp, montage alaba. Mr. Mama Modiana Montague, Aya Victoria Sego. If you're lucky, baby, I wear chia or two for Nana. And Slapper, Mabel, Yabua, at his eye. Auntie Stephanie, and Duke Sabre were quite sorry. Auntie Stephanie, dear, or pass only power. Auntie Stephanie, dear, Sabre won't fear solid my. Enti no mo de montage obo beba bewe maami akosia me unsa what tag Ghana judges oba pa me unsa what tag yes maami kanchirawo ye bedi komo UK hadie enwia eye kama eno ane na next hair se uwo lisia Eye divine beauty salon and abekwa koye wuti ama woba oho aye fe na sa wo Birmingham dia eno ani Monix Enterprise hona abenya Ghana ni oma bia pese wo pe bibiala ubenya bi ato na meka na meja tien Enku papa eye wo die eyie to say divine organic skin product honamu a achonchom honama papa ye abamu honama enku bi adamage no ye divine organic skin product sesame shia suppose coswa sticky to it the instructions in the swa me kachira wo say unipadua no ubehu ensosono ye se makachira mo se uhu me nsachi pa na uhu me nsa ho a me start adwuma de na me nsa ho aye na nyo Christabella me unsa what tag eguso repair me nsa no eguso repair me nsa no ena ye kwasi ada Tulip baby I will be higher chia Gulu kisi pepla Nana GH Aya Nana Buachi GH baby I will be a chia Umi anko Old bugger what is saying Nimsenya miadum deep thinkers moye. And let me hear all the deep thinkers here to come and listen to this voice. Na mochira mo adwene. Some be commenting. I need all the deep thinkers. And I need some Ekonaba group members here. Maybe drop some audios. Yes. Kwa nai. Engege enya kasa. Edin no eye engege broskoto. Mepacha koswa share. Se wini kwa na kasa kura ni Facebook account wa tag no. Wini kwa na no ni Facebook account wa tag no. Because anopai me use oye tono. Na kwa na ye. Oh, baby, wanua. A so-called professional journalist. Would you woody? Eka opia wa won sheba. Otiti e ma pia tu bomu ekwa adroso. Opia wono jimefua. Wode malam. Oja a doctor for. Na ode malam koye DNA. Baby o. Na kame ope me adese me. Ope Facebook bloggers adese wo mo a. Oh, na ka ube tumi aye video na ko adese ye. Tie, send me a professional journalist, self-acclaimed investigator. Na ka ope baby. Na wo se kaya enye low class to say ya no mo a. Eho ye no mu bi nya wo level a e kan ye nim se ka be ko Ajazila for platform so e na akoye tono na mi nim se ka be CNN for platform so na wa be ye tono even na True TV enye TV kitwa so na mi nim se ka be tena wo show ne so sa wo se wo mpese obe call low level baby anopai ukoye wu interview ni de social media platform no eho na ye prapra ye niema fi ye prapra ye bola bloggers for prapra bola ebi ye ta ye tonso ye nkakafuru ye audios any videos wa ya ni 40 years 50 years sa platform na we use ye no aman crowd tie no a chin search the platform no eno ya use no e ma ni twitwa ya 20 years ya 40 years videos wa ya ye mpe no eno na ya soa ye bola ni nyina ya di ko gu sa platform ni so ya de mana no de aguso ko aman krado ne platform no su consider ube hunu kisi pepra ballers wa postu ube hunu old blogger baller ube hunu social media ya baller ya bi ya ntomago ana ya deko kwa nai me they will respect Emma because Canada Japan enti because be a bubble would be a near attacking at two anyone about Canada Japan. Baba who say I do not know Trimuno. Why do they a kete to say a dear bee, a dear cossia? And that Unsamununa what in what dear check? What dear way of fine? So we have volunteer. Would you be your source attacking a software? Would you be your source attacking ministers? Would you be your source actually their police for any IGP? Any some ministers and yeah. But would ye over Trawana Kasa? Now audio of a trabonte. Now ye pania betray Hachina. Now what be used to some west am I? Why a sad dear way? This is the third time. Now I swear, sir, we a bema would triashua. So sure ye pafo kwakwanai. Try this nonsense one more time. Try BM. Send me the many to Canada Japan BM. Because when Jimmy Ache, would you no? I didn't be any. One more say when you sano, one more by we the professionals, yes, we are. We the intelligent, yes, we are. Some of the bloggers we can work better than you. Some of the bloggers we can do better jobs without taking bribes. Yeah, without blackmailing nobody. Without attacking no pastors. Without blackmailing no pastors. Some of we bloggers, we can do better than you. And some of us, we are much intelligent more than you. Me who say we be a wano. Now we ain't be a wano. Say platform one. Bloggers. Yes, swear your old videos. Ya we get dada. Ya entirely dada ya chucha pictures ya mene chum. Ya pakeni ya pra. And one year dibegu. You call yourself you a professional journalist, yeah? Certificate in air for journalist certificate in air for and a biabe kutao. Kwakwanai me say we a bema utia soa. Sign up platform this will be one more time. Now I disrespect me with some of your fitty words. And somehow okay cano. Then you come now about catch and ye be say ye low class ye kurasefo. Really? Really? Are you really a gentleman? If it's some of your words you were you swore and they attack bloggers for so many years. Kwa expose say what say if somebody should call or be said or ye bush ya and ka walk kwa kuanai ka ye njai wo ho ka ye njai man krado ho ka wodi ye bush mu bush. You still have the guts say obesete obi so now why you book and ti say ehina ye di consumer agiegu from abo na what ba be you so west adiamba yenye no mu bi kwakwa na ye na me wo questions ma enye questions kwa so na me wo audio so tato oba atro mame Sprinters Van Dam Benis oba atro mame usi audio so tato obi atro mame Christabella won tro mame enye only questions kwa na me bebusa kwakwa na but Odious tato. Odious etato. Kwa nai. Ube to me a jai to bottom niba. Sa undias yesa dietina debia yebeka na asem. You know why? Opasa uwa di kurontia. And your mommy explaining true and sana o questions no makoso o questions ya me woma wunie. Sa wo se wo dia wo koboa wo ho. Na wa ba no wa bebusa some 100 questions. Debbie, my name is Engege Broskoto. I always ready. Media me muane ho, me nkomba. What won't quite see where make up for I have about 3,000 questions. Ah, me babu sao, but me di be better a breading tea. So what do you walk up one babusa? Just only 1,000 or 100 questions. I have 3,000 questions to ask you. Who let me a jakurasini bar or the pajamas? Eshemokas. Wablo bibi amawaji edinti ana. Da paina wukwe kuwanai. Utu force. Ema wobini wobi a oni aguro. Ewa levels. Kwa kuwana, do you really understand the word levels? Kwekwanai, the word levels, do you really understand it? Na wako kachire wobi, wenya wobi anka levels. Anchire noa. Wako kachire mankrado kwa siyampeni. Wangwa reba. Wade konfuo na ye DNA test. Achim sechire palafa. Ah, minkasa mi papa. Busiafo efre me madofo ho social media ene me kasa he se maami ngege Bible sama woni ni di agura di yempe me yetu me fo me mpese me kai Ghana fo yaw se me yetu me fo se wo jimi fuo bi ate sew timi kofa wo ba koto mpaso ene ma koda wia wo timi fa telephone frɛ wo yonko ma eka etwa wadie ho asɛm ade kyerɛ kwakwanai woda ti wani se wonim the word the meaning levels so akona kogogo efisa fikyire na wo fefa no Womumu biale ni one levels. Ebeto me when it comes to levels. Ediana would 30 levels. Because you can speak good English. You can write good English. Kwakwana, listen to me. Bro fokasa. Eya wobi kuro mukasa. Tie. Eti wobi edumi ankabia. Enya news. Wuna wo kasetia Bible je ene katashi eti se camera na video beto ho na yesi kwakua na watch Bible eno ena eye news talk about it se uko tu se ngege machura me brofo na metia efri se Queen Elizabeth enyo na wo me maame mi wo obi kuro ya ngome wa Misia, enya priwo. Ebe take me 50 years kura, I'm still learning. Kwa na wumi bagura ufia. Enya wabusiafuo nyina na etimi kabrofuo, ebi beketi. Na wo kasa wo the level so bekasa. Oko jina kurasi ni boy we abua, be ma wonim the way ayesi shirt. Ye ko jina shop, shirt. Bema weya ne shirt nyina ya boto na togo shirt. Bema fi kanka kurasi ni bema weya. Ne hontari nyina ya checherebo. want to me empty the wardrobe. Say yellow atale kwa do bi ni abuburo kosua shirt ya. Flower for shirt ya. Kwa na wo ba social media ne so no. Kwasia kurase ni na wo ko gina. The platform so a wo ya tono no. Wodi ka check in the levels and the level edru. Eye kinsiri. O check in unu say the levels no edru old burger. The entire shame. Say you see appear camera. Na wo baba be jai kromfo tutu bottom nia. What the pajamas, eshemokas, editor picture. And you are over kasa about levels. Go and sit somewhere. Share. Who has a more TFE and Abayu Kunya? Oh, there be journalists, professional journalists, AD. Opana Obo. Certificate, let me triato. Sene agrada to me kaso what to me the nisika. Eto Ghana police for you na di Ghana numa. How much more than certificate? I would ever told so say we are professional journalists. Kwa I am a journalist. Ejuma enada because you don't know who. Me see unim. I can work better than you. And I'm smarter than you. And I am intelligent than you. You can still speak good English or write big articles. But ultimate enono. Hey, maybe the ultimate big English. Any bro for car, police, court to judge. Ultimate me shut me down. Shit. Ko be there when you see. Na mo kopa joy ultimate into two when you see koko. What? Do you think I say me a joker? Who me say me a joker? I mean business. I said me na bentia. And I no could have been any Ghana one tia. Na kagra that so na mo. Who use constitution na. Na who use Ghana law. A dear grada ye wa Ghana hono. And you concept by now. What if video mu 13 Pro and 12 Pro? Or take camera mu Dozy and Gabbana. Tie. What's the one you want to the piano? Agrada. Ya di be before Frobe attacking. Number 1. Crime. And I say, Obi or committed crime or ya criminal. Or yet, and I say, crime. Any spying date. Now say, crime with spying date ya. Ye ya no asu any spying date ya ya di kasa. Tie. Samu pasamu da sori na monti agrada. Asem ewo menuma. Nanka wose kwase Jimmy fuo no a. Ene. Ne hwene wajumi atra media so ama ne hwene ene na no ayese pento aman krado nanim sa kamea dokono kurase ni bema wo ba kamera mu a apose aduro krote America wontimi ntwibie nanim sa ene ne hwene sa kamea dokono tie engege matete ntoma e dia yamanim Masua double week area yi. Mesi mi betwie audio sogua. So we are professional journalists here. Fa unsafa kamle ni mu na pause audio no. Enie. If you really call yourself you are international, you are intelligent. There was a champion no ye police. No ye lawyer, no ye court, no ye judge no. Fa won safa kamela ni mu. Na fa won sa wura mu na mia. Kwa na number 1. Until sasika galefo victims. Akuma ebeto wo mu yam tie. Sami da ho. Ade ba ko na me pesa agrada oye. Se ka wo ye ya ka ne ho aton. Wakoko to akogye atum. Kwa adu ayede bo no. Were totally criminal. And today, she confirmed it, she is a killer. I got the audio, and I'm coming to play the audio to prove to Ghana CID. I will put it to you guys again. I have the audio. Agrada confirm she is a killer. She can kill. The audios are here. And na me be drop. Number na me be drop audios no. Esa, mukos one share. Kwa na number 1. Me pese sika gale victims no. Agrada abe Kenyans asemo chire bi ti say. Say we free agrada opese wo chire say we mama part. Enti osre obi a wonam TV so aye advert enam kwa bone so agi wo musika sika no wode twene no muspelele wode sika na tuatua ne ho aka enti sika galefo a wagi wo musika ehiafo enkokora emrewa mesramo ensegu sayem Monfa enteme agrada. Na se anti sani ebeda be sode. Na obe chere se. We use the TV afre nipa ama wabu nipa. Ama abeto dwa se watoga na police fo nyina tuaka. Ama ya to ne so handcuff. Ama okutekute tuo pump ashentia. Do you expect me kwakwanai? And then we video new interview away. We say enya will be never chira odi away. Can you also fucking tell me what to do? Yes? Who that to me? Una try the animal midi. Una try me internet. Una was yes kuta China phone. Una to China phone e mai. What's the wo obi ntimi chira on here? Usu betumi a chira en say. And kayenya agrada semuka. Kwa na mami kachirao. When it comes to me ne agrada tie. Until death do us part tie. When it comes to me ne agrada. Yet is up bafine any form. Kuti the pomponi echi ene kuro. When it comes to agrada, Kwakwana, you can't even come out and tell me what to talk, what to stop. Etina mo working underground. Say for almost a year. Share. Na Kwakwana uni munyansanka utu amankrado. Say amaija jimino. Kano kuretira mai say ene maame na nimu guasie ene twetwe ya twetwe ni social media ye nyan ni tweda eye kwasie yo kwasie yi a no wokogina sopo a ne ntade nyina ya buburo kosua kwa dobi enoma chimifuo we otimi kodi wo ba che no for telephone friend yonko ma kwasie we jimifuo we etu wa na ya me yase me maame me papa my dofu go social media test me message say be very careful, this guy is evil and this guy we niagro, this guy oba me life for purpose. But because of say many at the home. Where? Me pacho, seni engege mesia hitino. Seni mesia hitino. Epi ana wapaso na me hunu wa moudi. Grace kwae, Grace boat at a time me te unkache. Ebia na me hu amodin. Ba me be makwa nan atiase se. Wakika semuna kire bloggers yachi. All in the name of say. Ono dia why fine so make a comment. E woni shows ahoye. E wanna do about pastors, about malams, about ministers, about Mahama. But ono e kasa ofuso ye nipa che obi. So ni kwasa bloggers taking asem ekemi. Kwakwana, can you shut us up? Samete bulofuna kwakwana won't asia. Bra for telephone frame. Because me the man cause I'm a dictionary nam. Kwakwana, do you think say obi table foot me trouble for papa? Our level. And I say oh ya guy. Obi to me and couple of fana, obi a couple of wetia. Na say agrada to bottom ni ba no. Say a couple of ka, any a can extra. E ka me ko ani mu chen. Ya kan ne kenkan. Say a bad dressing moi. E ka kurasi ni ba no di pajamas se mo kase. Ka me wo soro chen. You are talking about money. Ko chintu me ya fo nsa enkokora e be sika. No one be friend self-acclaimed rich woman. Ah, ni fiye. Blocking ties ni adia ni fiye. Sa wu ties papa. E won konfo fiya. Kwa ne kwa we ne jagezi fiye. Wati kwa nai. Kwa ne kwa. Eye obi ni mufiye. Wati. Kwa ne kwa we Reverend Obafuo ni fiye. Wati. If you really want to know rich people, they can call themselves Nyame Eshra Womwa. And you comfort to bottom near or to do a yafu bottom. Where do me have found top porcelain ties, papa? Italy ties complete. And about to make because you me kula see guy. Kula ye giant blocking ties to. Share. Kwa na mimi ya me bloga onsa na mi be hia sofu bia o media ne so ansa na mi be hia wo bia o media ne so no pastor can shut me down, nobody can shut me down until send me say ade na amaye e bia me pese me ka wasem bi me da fo share mama me da fo share audio ne mama me da fo share mama kwa nai o se o kwa ba in future abebusa 100 questions on tiasie mama ma answer the dia still Ghana fo ni bi no omonsa eso agrada akwa yenyan no kasa. Number 1, wa satla fake satla. 2, wakoto wabo esuo fake. Number 3, chira me eneye etire say why repentance. Chira me the difference between a comfort agrada and me pet. Evangelist me pet. Chira me the difference between azatana bepim and evangelist self-acclaimed me pet. Kwa na ene me ba da kire wo say adwene ebetu me pesa me kire wo say brofo kasa ebetu adwene na suku so ebetu adwene eti eme suku na dawo ene sawo article na wo de tete wo no ene sawo brofo na oka na wasesa wo se esisu no na wo ketre me pere wanum no on say what disrespected bloggers bebre but ye ba ni abekire ya adwene de akire wo ye nkono atemtitiem but ene epona wasane no se wonim kwakwanan se wonim na wo trapo ni biemu a ene me no me ko na atemtitiem o me no me ko no atemtitie dabi but me catch no se wonim na wo tra epona wasane no a wo be feel me heat me na me catch you will feel me heat me okay Ghana for Ghana this year Sabi amuni muno edino eye mami engege broskoto na sabi amuni muno me was some questions ebusa kwaku anan edino ye ever ready kwaku anan edino ye faketo abeje kese me se me was questions ebisa me was questions me question number 1 am ebusa say Edina ekofo ewo woni ama born again na ukofa ne betena wo TV so no edina ekofo ewo woni ne ntem me question number 1 ayon kofa ben ena ekofo sesei ewo woni eduro senso ex juju woman am I born again? That is my question number 1. A DNA coswo, ewa winning in tem. Obiba busa me say, Udeti ama born again. Eya no kure. Mi busa, Udeti ama born again. Serious pass here. Udetino eya sembusa eya no kure okay masembusa esan toso mienu mi busa question kwakwanan say adwuma ben na woni ama born again etim eyenu sesia hyehyehye ewo enkran mantamu sesia na before no mami musa o Kwa na baby awuntem wona awote no baby awu han sinni wurum no e ba choda so te ho baby ensuo to a etimi yiri ebefa one usinni wurum na awakon han no ensuo timi befa wo no uda so te mantem wo eya asembusa uda so te usinni wurum num ewo baby ensuo to a na monchimonka aba beyi afa ho no Uda so ti area ho. Sabi busa sa uda so ti what ya. Mesraw me hia tanta mapuduo. Contact me. Tie. E was sa area ho. Na me ma untobi empostu emane. Kwa na mi busa. Say I'm born again. A dear business na woni am born again atimu up asesia moye enkuofuo bi elkeka se no wo betna ho e condemn Ghana asofuo ene enkremofuo ene malamfuo ene eye abosomofuo amotonton anointing oil wo betna TV so say oil kwako yeton enye wo betre TV so say enkofo de oil any sunsumu niama any candles any sunsumu incense bu ensolema edima obi anko asore na sofu bi otonton anointing oil wo pesa wo kire say oye fake no me pesa bi busa wo say enkofo bi aso ekeka uko audio so awaya gu a kofo me ma comment bebre e wo se ukọwe na ukọ ansa kwa nan eye no kura se wutimi so nipa kire nipa kwan se yenko ama born again ho enkoto ton enkoto oyele na ubetra na 2 TV condemn o ye no eye asem bisa kwa nan eye no kura se uwo share what me up ejuma bay na woni eye ama born again share Samon famra emedi neja gezi. Eya no kura sa woni ama boni. Ama born again. As share ejuma bi eno ode betna na 2. Sa ode be destroy neja gezi. Mi bisawo. Na se eya no kura sa. Se semi a mekeken kwahye a mi busawi. Migusu busawo eya no kure se asofofo na anointing wide na wo condemn no candles na wo condemn no eya no kure se watimu up with ama born again eya the same business ni bi eya no kure eya sembisa okay and Ghana this year abeton from uko YouTuber comment bebre ye ni enim se eye Anas e dia beto dwam se eye Mr. Kwaku Anan aka UK ambulance wow oye bribe taker Kwaku Anan, are you a bribe taker? Are you a bribe taker? Are you a gold digger? Because you're simply a gold digger. Or you're blackmailer. Son and cophobia. How true it is. Are you a blackmailer? Are you a gold digger? Are you a bribe taker? Send your video back to Abontin. Okay. Mama mi mo audio bi sesia. Mama mi mo audio bi. Na ya wese Kwaku Anan. Eya no kura se oye adwuma ma agrada enye neba. Satama odibetu wo se eye mukai sa video we sana ni nyina no yase eye wadagre na Kwaku Anan wo betumi de Ghana adwuma abegichi Ghana abedidi akoma. Okay, mo audio we nwe.
Right now with the buy, go and take your money.
Neighbor. Eba me the 2 Bluetooth. Me the 2 Bluetooth. Eba me the 2 Bluetooth na mo tie bi. Okay.
I'm sure we'll play his video Wednesday. Definitely. Who fed the TV? Big Akwe, sir? Yes. Big Akwe. When are we here to Mama no? When a Big Akwe, we here to Mama no? But a woman of Big Akwe, we here no? Oh, Polo Pony Akoso. Oh, Polo Pony Akoso. When a Big Akwe, we here to Mama no? All these movie actors, Papa Penny Muba, to me, who also I think our friends one of this
me pacho se mo nyina mo kai from day one sa video we na ye comment here from day one me hunu kwaku anan se oye fake onya no kwafo because ye nyina ye to social media at TV so no ye nim sabi ka kwesi ye adwuma ma konfo agrada one day sika gala mazato so for kwaku anan suku ni blofo pay one ada. Trust me, I can't speak good English, I can't write good English, but I'm smarter and intelligent than you. Why Jennifer eda wutrim ati se eduyen kosua tie ate me say adwene eda wutrim no ati se edue enkosua. So you think so you are smart? Utimi matumfutu ngu public eniyo. Na echire unsan ko ye interview nko confirm se ne agrada bra uska kura obedi edi. We di kanya ji edi dada. Se ne beto abonten se ampa obeye sa de we no. We di be wuna wo mo se be ya obenya sika. Tie. Mudie. Kwa nai enya na ustate agrada enya mutimu no ena confess ye ma ye hunu se sa agrada akura wokunkum nipa me wo odu amede betache agrada said it. She said it. She confirmed she can kill on her own voice is here onu kwa na betre nipa oye voice no ekoma.
I'm sure we'll play his video Wednesday. Definitely. But, who Freddy TV? Big Akwe, eh? Yes. Big Akwe. When are we here to Mamano?
Okay.
When are Big Akwe, we here to Mamano?
Okay.
To Mamano, Big Akwe, we here no. Oh, come on, Bonnie, Akosua.
Me bacho tie.
So, why are we Big Akwe, we here to Mamano? All these movie actors, Papa Penimuba. Me
bacha mote kwa na pesa wa ye ne ho se oye sent. But trust me guys, and for one ankasa ne voice no kwa na ya confirming sema na se kan ye se oye bribe taker. Kwa na ya confirming kwa na wo na de batu ho se Wednesday ube expose Big Akwe na usi Big Akwe boa bone so kwa na mi busa wo say why say enne why say ukwada na wo say Ghana fo no obo Ghana sofufuo nyina din ebubo togwe kedina pomu nyina din ebubo Ghana konfuo nyina din na wentumi ama agrada din wa bra wode agrada sika gale amazato ene di kan ede ne be ye caption why ebi mu kase na wo hia sika because who free ya shenye enye ne ebi mu se wo akwam di wo yie pa ye hu se wo fu kapo sano wuti tafo sa ti kreta koba chokono ye se uti we kwam di pa but ene ma jinsem wankofo kan ya di we confirm me wo se boy si ayeshi wo se wo dia wa yeshi na nam wiase eti wo dia wo agrada bra usika kura wo be receive your voice is here eti mi busa wo say wa yeshi na se wo be yese ni edi sika bra wo na okoje a no wakata bone so a wo ne Big Akwe why na ebua bone anunti na wonye ni bi besu kire mo sika gale woman bi besu kire mo se me wo me evidence ekofo bebre de nioma ba ama ama wana bu Canada Japan cross obetimi aso. Me my voice no ana.
Yeah, movies. I think very simple. His video Wednesday. Definitely. But
I said you better play his videos Wednesday. So Ghana for bebusa when na wo attack ye movie no. E dey na Wednesday no so ye. Utimi expose you. Ghana konfu a wo nko wo mo so mo nyi usika. Ofa wadwuma nkoma wo mo ma nya adwuma ni fake. Utimi be expose you. Every say ubo obi ni mudi because obi ni mudi e. O ka on fasika ma. Meja Gezi o metria. Anunti. Ena anopani ade chibia. Omo obebo wo mudi meye wo mo hanya no. Na kire se. Oma betua no aka wano atum. Okay, Ghana for me wa questions bi. E ba say me bo voice bi. E ba say me bo voice bi. O ma me mo voice we nwie. Voice we mi nya boda. Me repeat voice we have voice.
And I'm a fraud but as a network no. E baba nyame adom me wo fie but me pese obi abe hu se me ba. Aba 3 days ni. This year no be friend say yes work life na nya sanketo. But o kasa ya re na 1% ya akwaku na.
Me ba cho ba share ma me.
Wa boy e be bring te ya men kasenti ya.
Okay.
Okay.
You see, uko life wa. When na 1% ya kwaku anai. Because wa boy e bebre. Wa boy agrada. Ama na tumi echinchima nyafo enkokora emerewa ensa adi omusika eya sembusa. And now you still have the gut, you don't have shame. Wakwa jina crossing ni boy we so oba de ma America ungrateful bastard like a man krato. Wakwa jina ni so say catch Ghana for say why is she na sika bi agrada de bebe bia wo de obechi obi etumi control. You know say your viewers cannot control you. You know say obi etumi control. Then adentina wo over disrespecting na 2 viewers. Wo mo menya reshemu ama na 2. What do wama comedy agro because matese yese wo pese wo free na 2. Eti wo pese wo peti honorable Canada Japan black aya no kore. Kwaku anai matesa wa ye wadwene se upese wo free na 2 ekoye show e wa agrada akọ manage agrada TV no enti upese wo de na 2 TV wo collapse na 2 TV with all your this naughty stuff, your fake stuff. Now what the epeja agrada TV mi busa eya no kolasa. Aya no kurasa opasa upeti na 2 TV black. Now with the peja agrada new TV ukoye adwuma wo. Aya no kure, aya sembusa na mibusa ko. Adwuma ben na wo yema no. Onipa no a wo si e ma wo bi katakata bone so. Ghana for I need the deep tickets. Me babu voice bi. Me promise Ghana for. I'm say mama comfort. Oye mama penyini. Say onye mama penyini so a. Mama comfort. Me yatiti mi wo fie o. That be a me video pia na wo didi matem.